I mentioned my bodybuilder's Singapore chicken rice a few videos ago, and a few of you asked me to make it, so here it is. This is chicken breast. Take out the tendons. All you need is a fork for this tendon removal hack. Traditional Hainanese chicken rice is a whole chicken with all the skin on, thrown into a pot of water, boiled with the rice, and all the juices and the fats stay in the rice. It's very tasty, it's one of my favorite foods, but when I'm cutting or leaning for a movie, I have a bodybuilder's edition. Instead of using a whole chicken and the thighs, which hold a lot more fat, I'm just going to use chicken breast, no skin, keeping the protein high, the carbs fibrous, and the taste is bloody great. This step is definitely not traditional Singapore style. Using a lemon to tenderize the chicken is something I do if the chicken has been frozen. I want to make it a little bit more softer and juicier, and if I have 30 minutes, I'll throw a lemon on top. This is a 1-pot recipe, so let's turn it on. Tablespoon of coconut oil, stir it around, throw in some ginger, green onion, and some garlic. Give it a little rub. While this is happening, make sure you clean that rice. I've seen so many videos where people just throw rice right in. That's rank. You have to get the starch off the rice. Make sure the water runs clear before you put it in the rice cooker. It's been a couple of minutes and the pot is hot. The flavors have had time to season. Now we add the clean, soaked rice. Give it a little stir around with the flavors. Time to add the stock. Recently, I've started to use chicken bone broth just for the extra health benefits. Lightly salt the chicken on one side, then placing the chicken on top of the rice evenly on one layer. Making sure we place the salted side down, we then resalt the other side of the chicken very lightly. Restart the rice cooker to a white rice setting. While that's cooking, we're now going to get onto the dip. Here I'm using chili oil, but usually it's just coconut oil. In a hot, nice wok, cut some ginger and green onion, place in the dish, add some salt. Now this step is really important. Make sure the oil is boiling hot, then add to the dish, and it should be bubbling and fizzing as you serve it. Once the rice cooker dings, your chicken rice is ready. Place the chicken breast on a plate. Get a small rice bowl, pat down the rice into the bowl and serve it as so. Add some cucumber on the side with some coriander. Add a splash of soy sauce. Don't forget to grab the ginger bowl with some chili oil. Serve and chill and enjoy. High protein, good carb meal. If you want any more bodybuilding recipes that I took from my light protein restaurant from back in the day, please let me know and I'll get on it.
Mongal.
A peaceful warrior, but my fist will do demolition. Ambition raw combined with a future vision. I train my heart to be pure with super intuition. Come for all is no cure, to heal is my mission. Fly like a falcon, fly across the land and hit him with the fist of the Shaolin attack like a